Good morning, guys. It is day 2 on our road trip. So yesterday we went from, well, actually Friday we went from Chicago over to Ohio, but I'm not counting that as a day because it was a very short one. So yesterday we went from Ohio to Somerset in Pennsylvania. We also stopped at the Ohio Reformatory Prison. Really interesting place. Go check that out if you haven't seen it. It was a really fascinating place to explore. Today we are driving from Somerset, Pennsylvania over to Hershey's, checking into our hotel, and then we're going to go to Hershey Park today. So should be a fun, busy day. It is now like 11 o'clock. We had a bit of a lay-in this morning because we were just tired. So we're going to get going and head to Hershey's, which is about a 2-hour drive. Hi guys, so we are now in Hershey's, Pennsylvania. We checked into the Super 8. It's a pretty spacious, clean, big room, double beds, which is always fun. And then we have give you a little tour, hang on. So we have a standard bathroom, bath, looks decent. And then when you come into the room, you have like a little wardrobe space, and then you have 2 beds, fridge, coffee machine, microwave, TV, little desk area, and yeah, and the view is of the car park, as we often have. Oh, even better, it's of our car. Perfect. Yeah. So yeah, that was a fairly easy drive. It was actually only meant to take 2 hours and 10 minutes. It took 2 hours 45. My fault. As I was exiting Somerset, there was like, you go through a toll and then there's like the ramp goes up. And I went up the ramp because I thought that was the only exit, but there was actually one that went to the right and went around. It was like a turnpike or something. Didn't know they existed here. Didn't see it. Ended up driving 15 minutes in the wrong direction because the sat nav did correct, but you just couldn't turn around for like another 15 minutes. So I added 30 minutes to the journey. But it was fine. We're here. It's now 10 past 2. I think we're just gonna like freshen up and head straight to Hershey Park. It's open till 8 p.m. tonight, but it's Easter Sunday, so it should be fun. We aren't like huge ride goers, but we are wanting to go and just check out the theme park and see what's what and just enjoy it. So yeah, that is the plan. We made it to Hershey Park. I'm really excited. We're gonna go check out the zoo first because it closes in like an hour and a half. So that is the plan. So we are in Hershey Park now, and if you go into Hershey Park, at the very back of the park there's like Zoo America, which is where we first started. We're going around the zoo first because it closes at 4:30. But it's interesting, it's busy, but it's interesting. Of course, there's a souvenir shop. They do have an arcade here. You do need to get yourself a Hershey card. We're only here for one day and the minimum was $20, so we're not going to do that. But if you are here often, then it might be worth doing it. There's some really cool arcade games in there. There's a WWF one, which just looks cool. But yeah, there is arcade games. There's also like your usual type of like carnival type games. You can hear in the background people shooting, what's they called? Hoops onto bottles. All that type of stuff here. So we found a place that did deep fried peanut butter Reese's cups. I'm gonna give it a try. We bought two. And they're still quite hot. I've been waiting patiently. Oh wow. It's like a donut with a melted Reese's piece and a big lump of peanut butter inside it. That's amazing. I'll keep you eating. Right, we've had a fun day at the Hershey Park. We have bought some magnets, some Christmas decorations, a baseball with Hershey Park written on it, and we're going to head out now and to the world of chocolate next door. So just outside of Hershey Park is the Hershey's Chocolate World. I'm not sure what it is. I think it's just a big store, but let's go see. So there was a like little museum tour ride thing, kind of cute, kind of wander around. We're now just in, it's apparently the largest candy store. I don't know if that's in the USA or the world, who knows. But we picked up a chocolate frosted donut Kit Kat, which was like $1.50, but then they also had Kisses hot chocolate flavour, or hot cocoa flavour, which is a Christmassy one. It was only like $1.50 as well, which is cool. So we're gonna keep looking. Oh, and Karen got some Christmassy ones, sorry, he just waved at me. Some Christmassy ones as well, because obviously that's out of season. So we were like, oh, that's a nice little thing to have on our road trip. On our right. Well, that was a fun experience. We enjoyed our time at Hershey Park and at the World of Chocolate Museum. Did get a few little treats, got a few nice souvenirs, and now we're going to head back to the hotel and relax. Right guys, we're back at the Super 8 hotel now. I want to quickly show you what we've got, and then I think we're going to relax for the evening. So let me show you what we bought first. Okay, so we just picked up a few little bits. They had Zoo America in there, so we picked up that. It was a really nice little zoo. There's not loads of animals, but it was cute. There is a Hershey Park, so we picked up Hershey Park magnet. We want to pick one up from where we go, so we picked that one up. We picked up a baseball. Callum has actually got a baseball like stadium book that we're going to get stamped when we go like on this trip. So we wanted to pick up a baseball because he's going to pick up the baseballs for all of the different stadiums we go to. And then I got a Christmas decoration because I do love a Christmas decoration, and I just thought it was really cute. Yeah, so that was our little pickups today. So I think we're going to call it there, to be honest guys. I'm absolutely shattered. It's only like 6:30, but I think we're going to just relax a bit, order some food in and chill out. Tomorrow we are not getting up super early, but we are going to be heading over to Amish village, like Amish County, I think it's called, the area. We're staying in like the Amish Hotel and Inn, which is like near a farm. It's kind of like, it's a hotel slash homestay type situation, but it's near a farm, which I'm excited for. And we're going to go and see the Amish village and do all of those types of things. So it should be fun. It's not too far away from here, so it's not too much of a long drive tomorrow. So yeah, we're going to chill out, relax, and I shall see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.